What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So a lot of you guys have watched the videos of me building my LEXUS wide body here, but a lot of you guys probably have not. So this video is going to be for you. It's going to be like little cliff notes of my build for the LEXUS here. So let's go ahead and start from the beginning. So I got 10 pieces of wide body kits right here right now. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap everything and show you guys how it is. Let's go ahead and start that right now. And just like that, the plastic and the foam has been taken off the wide body. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what I got myself into. So this kit right here really is, I don't know, wide. So this piece right here, it got busted in shipping. I guess the shipping company had it sticking out of the pallet, and then I'm not sure, they hid it somewhere. But I should be able to fix this with fiberglass and some Bondo. That's a little broken piece right over here. That should be pretty easy with some Bondo and glaze. I might leave this one here, but I'm not too sure yet. Other than that, everything else looks pretty good. Let me show you guys how this piece, this is the driver's side fender. So they said that this kit is wide, and it really is. The front, I believe they said that it adds about 70 millimeters to the front and about 80 millimeters to the back. Yeah, this is just a little quick tape mock-up of how the front's going to be. Obviously, I got to take off the side skirts, the rear splats, and for the front lip, I think I'm going to just customize this. I'm going to probably cut it off right here and then Bondo it just so that it looks like a front lip for this piece right here. I think it kind of goes under, but I don't know. We'll see how that works. Yeah, I'm not sure. I gotta take everything off first. But yeah, I guess the first order that I gotta do is I gotta peel off all the green dip here. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So before I bolted these two pieces together, I mounted the quarter panel piece by itself, like you guys saw, and I was eyeballing it where I thought that it would be according to the taillight and the door over here. But I guess I measured too high, and now I got 3 holes there. But it's fine. I could just Bondo over it and everything. But yeah, this is where everything's gonna sit. The bumper goes right here. It goes with a line here. Yeah, there's a crack right here, but I'll fix that later. But everything is sitting pretty good now. Right, the body line is nice. All this goes together. That's how the door is going to be. The door opens without scratching. Just gotta put the final screws in there. But yeah, that's the rear and the front. So I was installing the door piece onto the door and opening the doors, making sure that it would not scratch or rub against the quarter panel piece, and smacked myself in the head with the door while I was doing that. But the car looks good now. I'll show you guys right here. So the quarter panel piece for the passenger side is on a little gap right there. Again, like the other side, I got to put like a little bracket on the bottom. But the door opens up, and right now it's hitting it. Right now it's rubbing it right now. But once I brace that in, everything should be good. We go to the other side, just to show you guys again. Everything has been mounted there. The front, I still have the passenger side front fenders to do, but I'm gonna cut it up and make sure that everything is fitting right first before I do that. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be knocking this out, the front end over here, and I'll have the whole kit mounted. But yeah, I got everything installed pretty simple. Like I said, I gotta just do the passenger side fender But yeah, other than that, everything looks pretty good. The car is pretty wide, looks pretty aggressive right now, the way that it is. So I'll see you guys pick it up back up in the morning or tomorrow night. All right, guys, I got the kit all mounted on, and it's looking pretty good. You let me know in the comments what you guys think about this stage. But yeah, everything is on there. And the front over here is on as well. I got some fiberglass, some short hair fiberglass Bondo type of thing going on right there to fix that area. So hopefully, I don't know. We'll see how that goes. And everything is mocked up right now. So I guess tomorrow I will pick it back up, take that off right there and sand it, see how that goes, add more if I need to. And then next is going to be cutting off these quarter panels. Cutting that all off. But yep, I'll see you guys in the morning and wish me luck for everything else, guys. All right, guys, I finally got the nerve to start cutting my fenders. So I'm going to start with the passenger fender here. And all right, no turning back now. Let's go. All right, guys, I am basically all done cutting the quarter panels and the fenders. Let me show you guys what I got here. So I'm just leaving this part on right here. Once I get the wheels, this part here. Once I get the wheels, I will know if I need to cut more up here or not. But that's how the rear quarter panel there looks like. Hopefully that's enough. And this is how the front looks like. That should be more than enough. I have to go and grind this part right here down, but like I said, I'm waiting for the wheels to get in. Alright guys, so I'm finished with the splitter right here. That's how it looks like right here. I got everything all perfect and the way that I want it. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now and paint it all black. Just getting it ready for the wrap so that the bottom of it will be painted black, and then I will come back tomorrow and lay some carbon fiber vinyl wrap on top of it like the other one. Hopefully I have enough. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about my progress so far. I think that it looks pretty clean and it makes it look more aggressive. All right guys, here is the final product. The splitter mounted on underneath the car and the fog light here all painted and finished. The front lip will be painted, but obviously the splitter will remain black and with that carbon fiber hexagon look right there. The wheel just came in. It has been like 4 months since I've been waiting for the wheel to come in. But yeah guys, the project's almost coming to an end. I got some work CR 3-piece wheels right here. In the front, I'm running 19 by 9.5, and in the rear, I got 19 by 10. I just need to get the center caps put on. I had ordered them yesterday, So hopefully they'll be here in a week or two. I got the little caps in a package that they sent to me as well. Alright guys, it is 2:30 in the morning and I got most of the car prepped over here. Front end is almost done as well. But yeah guys, the car is almost ready for me to dip it. So tomorrow I gotta just mask the diffuser here and the front like you guys saw earlier. And then I will be cleaning the surface one more time with the pre-dip. And then I should be ready to spray. All right, so this is all the parts that I'm gonna be using here. All this was from Dip Your Car. So what I got is 4 blacks as my base coat, and then I'm gonna be using 3 of the satin clear for to mix my pearls in. That's gonna be my top coat, and then I have an extra one right here for in case it's not, I guess, glossy enough or satin enough for me. I'm gonna go over it with a few coats of the satin clear here. The products that I'm gonna be using, the pearls, I'm gonna be using 2 of the Radiant pearl, which is more green, and then I'm going to be using 100 grams, which is 4 packs of the Radiant blue pearl, and then I'm going to add the discontinued rare jade pearls. This is like a blue to green teal shifting pearl, and this is discontinued, and if I could, I would buy enough pearls of the rare jade to do my whole car. But like I said, it's discontinued, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just mix this in with the other pearls here, and I have no idea what it's gonna look like, but hopefully it is good. Guys, I'm all finished with this project here. Finally, my arms are dead. I definitely need to go work out. But yeah, like I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like right here. I like it. You know, it's different. It's similar to what I had before. If you guys haven't followed me for a while, if not, go ahead and subscribe. But yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like right here. So this is the final look of it right here. Everything should be pretty dry already. So it's kind of like a turquoise. Yeah, as you guys can see, like over here is like green and over here is blue. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm gonna let this dry for a few hours and then I'll be back. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and just take off all the masking. Tomorrow I will add the little wax that I usually put for my dipped cars. It kind of like gets rid of the rubbery feel and makes it way more smoother. Way smoother. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and staying tuned to the very end. But making this video was pretty fun because I got to see the whole process of building this car all over again. If I would do it over again, I definitely would, and I cannot wait till I get like another project car to do it. But before the video ends, I'll go ahead and show you guys the car one more time. Alright, so let's take a quick look around the car. Go ahead and leave the comment below on what your guys' favorite part of the car is, or favorite part of the build. And I think that, I guess the whole thing is my favorite, but the way that everything came out to be, the color and everything, it looks perfect. But yeah guys, leave a comment below on what you guys think on my project here, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to enjoy life and go slow. you.